Hi everyone, welcome to Hilltop View Journals. Today we're going to finish this journal topper. I'm just going to very loosely decorate the inside cover there and add a finishing touch to this cover, and then I'm going to show you some collaging and work on the first pages in my new collage journal. So I really wanted to get this collage journal topper finished today, so I just put my camera on and pulled out some bits and pieces from my desk and decided to do some very simple covering. So here you can see me using some music paper, and I'm just covering the inside part of this pocket so that it's not so plain. And in a little while I will be securing it with some medical tape, which I really like to use because it's so transparent, and you can also add some distress oxide to it and it seems to just blend into the page. So I didn't want any fuss today, I just wanted to cover this envelope, kind of just get it finished so that I don't have to worry about it, and then I can always go back and do a little bit more decorating afterwards. I'm really pleased with this pocket because it's quite a nice large pocket, and I can use it to stuff some scrap papers in when I carry my journal around. And this piece of fabric now, it's the same fabric as I've used on the front of the main journal there on the right hand side, and it's a piece of Tim Holtz patterned fabric. I love the colours, I love the pink and the green and the brown together, and I just think it complements the main part of this journal theme, I think, which seems to have been decided for me even though I didn't realise I was doing it. I'm just lightly gluing it on the pocket there, and what I do then is I stitch all around it and do some stitching to stitch up the pocket. I don't bother gluing it. That's all stitched now, and I can add it into place to see how it looks, and I think it goes really well with the main part of the journal cover. I'm happy with that. And all that's left for me to do now is to add my journal topper onto that flippy flappy piece and just secure it in place with lots of glue. I wanted to add glue stick first so that I've got the opportunity to move the topper around a little bit to make sure it's in the right position, because once you've used Fabri-Tac or a hot glue gun you don't really have much of an option then to move it around a little bit. I really like the flexibility of this journal topper. I like the fact that I can take it off the journal, do my collaging, leave it somewhere safe, and then I can put it back in when I want to. Just doing the finishing touches now. And making sure that topper is securely in place. And then I just decide to add the teeniest bit of fabric to the collage cluster on the front of my journal cover. And you probably can't see on camera, but there's a little bit of pink and yellow and brown in there, so I think that just brings in the colours nicely as well. So I want to break into my collage journal. I've just got to do it, and today is the day. So I'm just going to do something really simple and quick on these first 2 pages. And once the first 2 pages are done, I think, you know, the bigness of it is over. So I am going to use this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, it'll have to be a flip, or yeah, it'll have to be a flip because it's just too nice to glue down. And so I want that there. And what I'd like to do as well is use this Weybridge ticket, and it's local. It's from the Quay in Carmarthen in West Wales, so I definitely want to add that in here as well somehow. Whether I possibly glue it so that I don't really want to cover those flowers because they're really pretty, or what I might do actually is rip it in half. So let's tear it. Okay, so I got that there, and because the pages are, you know, the backgrounds are already done, it's so simple to do, and it just means when I come across ephemera that I want to use in my journal, I can just pop it straight in. So just putting that there like that. And glue a little bit more here. And there. And then I need some tape. So this is faux vintage sellotape, and I'm just going to pop that on there like that. Then I'm going to use a little bit of washi on the other side. Add a bit more washi down there. That's my first page, and then I am going to use this lovely flower. Probably needs a little bit more fussy cutting. I do the bare minimum, and then I like to tidy up when I use it.
California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
yes, I can't talk and collage at the same time. So hopefully I found some decent music to go on while I was doing that. So this is the first page, and very, very simple collage using some original ephemera as well as some digital kit ephemera. You use whatever you want. If you just want to do original ephemera and things from book pages and all sorts of those things, then definitely just have fun. This is a sort of free-for-all collage journal. So very simple page, sticking bits of paper down and just enjoying the process. I hope you've enjoyed that. Short video, but hopefully it'll give you just a small little bit of inspiration until I see you again. Bye bye for now.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who